Hello guys, please subscribe my channel. Modern Virtual Data Room Experiment. How to pick the best VDR provider. A virtual data room VDR is a secure cloud platform that enables managing and sharing of sensitive company documents. Most traditional VDR platforms focus in financial transactions such as merger and acquisition M&A. But modern VDR are often much broader, more user-friendly and have more security and compliance certification. They are designed to meet the need for any industry, line of business or use case. Employees often share sensitive documents, intellectual property, contractors, and confidential information. It is important to have a secure and modern platform to manage this content. In this article, we'll cover the difference between traditional and modern VDR. This comprehensive guide describes how to select a modern VDR that fit your business need. What is a virtual data room? A VDR offers a secure platform to store and share confidentially materials while maintaining state security and trackability. Most companies need a secure platform to share data and file with external third parties. This can include customers, vendors, auditors, contractors, and advisors. Strong security control ensure that critical business information is private and accessible only to authorized users. Owner can manage documents, viewing, printing, and downloading permission for individual users. They can grant and restrict access, track statistics, and download reports. What is the difference between a traditional and modern virtual data room? Traditional VDR have features focus on addressing specific need for M&A transaction. That can improve the user experience or will prevent positive buyer or partners from some traditional providers have features that need user to download and install plug or desktop software to enable certain security features. That can improve the user experience or will prevent prospective buyer or partners from accessing the data room. The software can be so need companion software such as Java and be incompatible with certain systems. Furthermore, many companies restrict employees from self-installing software due to security risks. Slowing a transaction or contact creating a lot of risks and protection. Modern virtual data room weren't born as VDR saving M&A dials. They are cloud-based contact platform that focus on a best-in-class user experience and extended product user. This platform address many use cases and have very high level of security. Modern VDR have the vast majority of features that traditional VDR have. For example, one can use Box as a virtual data room to securely share any file to desktop or mobile. Enable granular use permission, watermark documents, store unlimited file version, and much more. Box is also FedRAMP certified, where federal agencies certify Box with 325 plus security control to manage some of the country's most sensitive information. The platform also has advanced malware and ransomware protection. Most traditional VDR do not have those certification or protection. It may seem this enhanced security feature mean more cost for customer, but in many cases, Box is safer than a traditional VDR as it use of favorable price per set model. Most companies are better off choosing Box. They get world class security at an attractive price point.